Vietnam is one of the countries with a favorable economic investment environment, with many competitive advantages. Besides increasingly attractive investment attraction policies, the percentage of young labor with high skills also grows up. The quality of infrastructure and services in Vietnam's industrial parks has been improved significantly, hence creating a great attraction and making Vietnam become an attractive destination for foreign investors. Located in Vinh Xuyen District, Vinh Phu Province, Ba Thien 2 Industrial Park has an extremely favorable geographical position, easily connecting provinces and cities in the north by the network of highways and ring roads. Located adjacent and 50 kilometers from the city center of Hanoi capital to the west, only 15 kilometers from Toyota Vietnam and Honda Vietnam factories. 50 kilometers from Samsung Bac Ninh and Samsung Tai Nguyen factories, 20 kilometers from Noi Bai Airport, 160 kilometers from the Port Hai Phong, and 180 kilometers from Kai Lan Deepwater Port. Ba Thien 2 Industrial Park is directly invested and managed by Vina CPK Joint Stock Company, with a total planning area of over 300 hectares with more than 200 hectares of industrial land. It is developed in an area with good geology and hard ground to help investors save factory construction costs. With the goal of building and developing Ba Thien 2 Industrial Park in a modern and environmentally friendly direction, serving light industries, electronics, and high-tech industries, Vina CPK Joint Stock Company focuses on building synchronous and high-quality infrastructure to meet the increasingly demanding needs of foreign investors. The industrial park has an internal traffic system in compliance with high-strength concrete road standards. The clean water supply system, with a total capacity of up to 12,000 cubic meters per day, ensures daily living and manufacturing needs for the entire industrial park. The wastewater treatment factory, with a total capacity of 10,000 cubic meters per day, has been invested in and built according to the strict standards of Singapore and Japan in both technology and construction stages, which ensures that wastewater is treated perfectly before discharging into the environment. The industrial park is supplied with stable electricity from 122 kV substation belonging to the national grid, with a total capacity of 126 MVA connected to each enterprise for safety. Interwoven with synchronous and modern infrastructure in a space filled with green trees, bringing fresh, cool air and close to nature right in the industrial park. Besides, Ba Thien 2 Industrial Park also closes to famous attractions and tourist sites in the north, such as Flamingo Dai Lai Resort, Dai Lai Golf Course, and Resort Dam Vac Golf Course, Min Tri Golf Course, Tam Dao Tourist Area. The executive office building, located at the main gate of the industrial park, is built in a modern scale, multifunctional design with many utilities such as working office, conference office, training, and recruitment. This area provides services such as restrooms, banks, supermarkets, kitchens, to fully meet the operational needs of investors during the construction of the factory. Besides, investors in the industrial park can easily connect and use services such as logistics, customs, tax, and intersectoral agencies, and a system of public services, banks, post offices, shopping mall, medical. Along with building and completing a high-quality synchronous infrastructure system with accompanying utilities, the company focuses on building and developing one-stop service to save time and cost for investors. Through the one-stop service, the company supports consulting customers from the establishment time to the entire production process in the industrial park, such as support to carry out the procedures for applying for an investment certificate, support to complete legal procedures after being granted an investment certificate, support and carry out the procedures for applying for construction permits and environmental impact assessment, guide how-to, applying for work permits for foreigners, support recruitment, and training. Over 10 years of construction and development, the industrial park has gradually gained the trust of investors as well as international corporations from all over the world. More than 200 hectares, industrial park's clean land has been filled, in which FDI enterprises account for 98% of the total number of industrial park's customers. namely Nippon Paint from Japan, TAL from Hong Kong, ASA Abloy from Sweden, Aeon Motor, and VPIC1 from Taiwan, Weldex Corporation from the US, and many businesses from Korea, Singapore have invested and brilliantly succeeded in Ba Thien 2 Industrial Park, making great contributions to the economic development of Vinh Phu Province as well as Vietnam. With experienced and well-trained with a broad knowledge of leaders and staff, the most important is love and enthusiasm to build model industrial parks in Vietnam. We are constantly improving ourselves to bring the best support services and optimize value to investors. Ba Thien 2 Industrial Park, ideal destination for investors.